How to fix CapCut No Internet connection. If any day you face the problem of no internet connection on CapCut and you are quite frustrated, but you do not know how to solve it, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to search the CapCut application on your mobile device. For that, you can go to the search icon on your mobile device or manually search the CapCut application on your mobile device. After you find the very CapCut application on your mobile device, you have to tap on the very CapCut application. So after you tap on the very CapCut application, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of app information. After you tap on app information, you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, you have to go to the option of notifications. After tapping on notification, you have to allow the notifications and then allow sound and vibration. You have to go back and then go to the option of permissions. After tapping on permission, you have to allow the permission to all of the notifications, photos and videos. You also have to allow the permission to the camera and also to the microphone like this. You also need to allow the permission to the music and audio by tapping on allow. After that, you have to go back and then go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to open the supported links. After that, you have to go to the option of storage, and if you see any cache out there, you have to go to the option of clear the cache. After that, you have to go to the option of app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, your very application will be opened in the very Google Play Store, and if you see any update option out there, you have to update your very application. And after you update your very application and close the Play Store, your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.